Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the basics so you can act with confidence. Open Device Manager and make sure the Bluetooth adapter is enabled. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, close background apps that use audio or heavy CPU via Task Manager so latency sources are removed. Also check the paired device's proximity, stay within about 10 meters, and disable any battery-saving audio modes on the peripheral, because power-saving profiles introduce buffering and extra delay. Next, update Windows and the Bluetooth adapter driver from the manufacturer. Generic drivers can add latency. After updating, open Bluetooth device properties. If your peripheral and adapter support aptX low latency or similar codecs, switch to that codec to reduce buffering. Make sure your audio output sample rate is set to a standard like 16-bit, 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz in sound settings. Mismatched rates force resampling and introduce delays. Reboot after. Finally, optimize interference and test alternatives to isolate the issue. If internal Bluetooth is noisy, plug a dedicated USB Bluetooth adapter into a port away from USB 3.0 controllers or use a short USB extension. This often eliminates RF interference. Temporarily disable 4 GHz Wi-Fi or change its channel because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth share spectrum. If problems persist, test the same audio on a wired connection to confirm latency source and perform a Bluetooth stack reset or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.